panahon po ng Hapon, panahon po ng Espanyol, hindi lang po pawis, hindi lang dugo, kundi buhay ang kanilang binuwis. For us who are martial law babies, of course, the narrative na baka naging communist country din tayo like the other. Mahirap kasi ikwento sa inyo yung narrative na yun kasi yung dalawang communist countries na malapit sa atin, malapit geographically like Vietnam and China, are much more modern sa atin pagdating sa education, technology, sa economics, yung socio-economic welfare ng tao, kung hindi lumalaban ay mas maganda sa atin. But during the 70s, 80s, hindi po ako 60s kaya hindi ko na masasagot yun. Even 70s, I was from 1 year old to 10 years old, no? Or from 0 to 10. So ang point ko is that during this time, yung sabihin na baka mapunta sa communism yung ating bansa or baka maging napaka-corrupt because of the oligarchs was reason for the narrative nung martial law. So hindi naman yun ang topic ko tonight. But may cost